Well, millions of families across the world are celebrating the Lunar New Year today, and for many, a fresh start to the year involves arousing festivities and seeking blessings of the deities. This is China's most important holiday, and thousands have flocked to one of Beijing's largest temples to pray for good luck. This is the year of the horse, according to the Chinese zodiac calendar. The horse is traditionally associated with loyalty and energy.
12年有一次马年哈，那就是马到成功。什么上也比如说快想办的时候觉得办的时候呢，觉得马年到了，就觉得我觉得一定能够成功。
马年就是马不分长，马到成功，有好的职业，全家平平安安，是不是？
Due to air pollution concerns, many in China heeded the government's request to tone down the fireworks, but there was no stopping some from setting up firecrackers, which are believed to bring good fortune. Even the London Eye turned a shade of red to mark the festivities for the very first time. Many gathered at the attraction to count down to the new year and watch the traditional Chinese lion dance. In Japan, crowds there are hoping for less conflict and friendlier relations with China this coming year. Some 200 people ushered in the new year in Yokohama's Chinatown, one of the biggest Chinatowns in the world. We'll leave you now to enjoy the celebrations across Asia.